Alright, so this video, got an American 1105. Thing is brand new in the box here. It's kind of an impulse buy. I was at US Lottery the other day. And pick it open with a Sparrow's 40,000 pry bar. And since it's a brand new lock, we'll use a brand new shiny pick here. This is a right-hand DeForest. You've never picked American locks before. They're kind of fun. They're all security pins in them. Even they're all serrated pins. All the driver pins are serrated. Even if there's spools, those are even serrated. At least a couple little small ones. And the key pins are all serrated as well. At least size like 2 on up or 3 on up. Look at that. Already got it opened up easier than I thought it would. But let's see if we can gut it here. Take a look at the key. So that's not bad bidding on the key there. Anyway, got it open, so let's see if we can gut it now. This be a Phillips screwdriver. And I've got the key, so I will lock it back. And look for the tool. Yeah, this is nice. This one just has grease on it from the factory. It's not all dirty and disgusting like some of the locks I've been running into lately. Okay, my custom American follower. Yeah, I'll do this kind of quick here because yeah, this thing, it should have a spool in it. I didn't get a false set, but it should have a spool in it somewhere, at least one. And key pins. And then I'll just orient these in a second here. Okay, as far as the drivers go here. Okay, so number 1, we've got a serrated. 2 is a spool. Even the spools have the tiny little serrations on them. 3 would be serrated. And I never got a false set, so I doubt there's any more spools in here. There's 4 is serrated. And 5, come out the back. Oh, there's a spool. Okay, so there's 2 spools in it. The springs will all just be standard padlock springs. This thing hasn't been, monkeyed with or anything. It's just a stock lock. So yeah, that's what you'd expect out of the box from an American. Got serrated top pins. There's 2 spools that have little serrations on them, and the other 3 are serrated, and then all the key pins are serrated as well. And number 3 is a 3 cuts. Yeah, that's even got the serrations on it. I think it's the ones that don't. And I just noticed on camera you can't even see the pins where I had the damn pinning tray at, so basically all the key pins are serrated. And then just all the drivers. We got, the serrated, little serrated spool. It's got tiny little serrations on the spools. And pin 5 is the same. And anyway, so that's all for now. And I'll get back to trying to get this damn thing open, which can't be as hard as this one. But for some reason, I can't single pin pick it on camera. So I'll get back to messing around with that, and we'll talk to everybody later.